the vegetable garden. Today, BIBO and his friends are visiting Aunt Bear's vegetable garden. They are very excited. What are these, Aunt Bear? Asks Mino. They are peas, Mino, replies Aunt Bear. And these? Asks Sarah. Cucumbers. They're very healthy for you, says Aunt Bear. Oh, and what's this? Asks Polo excitedly. That's a pumpkin. It's delicious, replies Aunt Bear.